by two incredible football legends, New York Giants, Super Bowl heroes. I guess I would have to say Lawrence Taylor is the greatest defensive player ever. I'm a little prejudiced, but I would say that. And a man who was possessed during Super Bowl, he was a Super Bowl MVP, O.J. Anderson in the hair. Come on up, fellas, for a second. Come on up. Come on up. These guys, look at them. Lawrence, you look like you could play immediately. They could use you. Come on up. These guys are serious players. You know, they're my golfing partners, too. Tell them, can Trump play golf? You have to tell them.
I just want to say, I grew up a Democrat, and I've always been a Democrat until I met this man right here. I'll tell you what.
Peace, everybody, and welcome back to the Black Only News and Entertainment Network. You know what they say, birds of a feather flock together. Well, Donald Trump, who has been convicted of rape of Eugene Carroll, had Lawrence Taylor, who was also a convicted felon and convicted of sexual assault on a young woman, up on the stage with him during one of his Trump rallies in New Jersey. Lawrence Taylor, who has been convicted of many crimes, and I guess this is Trump's way of saying that black men support Donald Trump. Birds of a feather flocking together, Lawrence Taylor and Donald Trump both convicted of sexual assault, rape. There he is right there, both of them. Anyway, guys, peace, take care, and be safe.